A secret buried in documents, unbelievable to anyone who has owned or sold a home.
This is a catastrophe of epic proportions.
Tonight, 7 News uncovers a mortgage shocker.
In fact, one signature on your mortgage documents could be devastating for some homeowners.
It could also, though, be a lifeline for people in foreclosure. Hank has this exclusive investigation tonight.
This Nantucket home is Bob Jepson's most treasured possession. He built it himself, owned it, and cared for it for 40 years. When hard times hit, he almost lost it in a foreclosure. But for now, Bob gets to keep it.
That's fabulous. It's fabulous. It's like someone just giving me $1 million.
Marie's home in Rhode Island was also in foreclosure, but now the banks agreed not to kick her out.
I don't have to uproot my kids. That's a blessing.
What Marie calls a blessing is really a signature. This signature that reads Linda Green. We found those 2 words are saving some people from foreclosure, but putting other homeowners at risk. There's a Linda Green signature on one of Bob's mortgage documents and on one of Marie's, and on all these documents from mortgages on other people's homes. You can see they're all the same name, but they're not written by the same person.
So what does that mean?
It means, as far as I'm concerned, they're fraudulent documents.
So every single document that has this signature is a fraudulent document?
I don't think they're legit.
These different-looking signatures can be traced back to a company in Georgia that certain banks and mortgage companies hired to create and sign documents. Investigators believe different employees signed the name Linda Green to thousands and thousands of Massachusetts mortgage documents. So far, the Registry of Deeds for just part of Essex County has found 22 different versions of Linda Green signatures on paperwork from 33 different banks and mortgage companies. If one of those phony signatures is on your mortgage paperwork, it puts the ownership of your house in question.
This is a catastrophe of epic proportions.
When mortgage analyst Marie McDonald searched the registry for just part of Essex County, she discovered more than 6,000 Linda Green signatures.
I'm speechless. The scope of the problem is unimaginable. The depth of the fraud is shocking.
In Bob and Marie's cases, the suspicious signature gave their lawyers ammunition to fight their foreclosures. For Marie, the bank's now working out a new payment plan. In Bob's case, the bank backed down.
They understand that proceeding with a foreclosure based on questionable documents is going to be a problem for them.
And they stop.
They do.
But the same signatures saving some homes from foreclosure could be bad news for homeowners who always pay their mortgage. If you have a Linda Green signature hiding in your paperwork, that could spell trouble.
They may not be able to sell their home, and they may not be able to refinance their home. And that is a major, major problem.
Essex County officials tell me they've now sent the Linda Green signatures they found to the Massachusetts Attorney General, demanding banks and lenders fix the phony paperwork. And until this all gets sorted out, they say, you should check your mortgage paperwork. For information on how to do that, go to WHDH.com. In the newsroom, I'm Hank Philippi Ryan.